And it's securely locked and everything.
Yeah, now it's running. Hello. Have a good run.
Thank you. Okay, here we are on Maisi Flitzer, a Wiegand Alpine coaster. A very unique lift system so far, by the way. Not the typical cable that I've seen before. A lot of people on this expecting to get a slow ride, but also a beautiful ride. Simply because, I mean, we're in the Alps, baby. And also, here's my family. Hi! What's up? Okay, gonna hope to see to get the GoPro right. It's always a bit oh, here is the cable lift. All right, so I guess we got two different lift systems on this one. I'm curious to see if I can get the GoPro looking great, because usually it's a bit of a hit or a miss for me if I can get this to look great or not. But I'll do my best. But yeah, we'll definitely see. So far, this is beautiful. Absolutely gorgeous. Love the lift right there and everything. I have no idea how long it's gonna take to get up. But good thing is I'm gonna get some off-ride shots, obviously, while getting up. So enjoy that. It does look like a lot of people are braking, and sometimes there's a lot of people right behind each other. I was very lucky that I am right behind a Danish family who all said they promised to go fast for me so that my ride and my POV will be better. So we'll see about that. That's so sweet of them. So shout out to you guys. But yeah, otherwise this is what we're dealing with a lot of the time. But yeah, shout out to you guys from Denmark. Skud til jer. I fucking nice. Virkelig søde og fucking seje. Jeg håber også, I alle sammen får en god tur. Ja, det var fedt at møde jer. Also, that right there, I believe, is Kitzsteinhorn, that mountain over there. First, I thought it was Großglockner, the tallest mountain in Austria, but turns out Großglockner is right behind that mountain somewhere. So very close that way, about 20 kilometers or less that way. But that right there is still one of the tallest mountains in Austria. And apparently you can get up there somehow. Still have a bit of a cough, by the way, sorry about that. Here is a guy going a bit faster. It's what I hope to achieve. From what it looks like, it looks like it also has a lot of auto braking on this one, just based off of POVs. But yeah. Oh, here comes a guy going really fast. Yes. Nice. That's awesome. Look at these guys. Oh yes. Woo! Looks like people are having a lot of fun. Also, it seems like the lift just started going a bit faster, so that's really cool. This is also my third Alpine coaster by Wiegand, by the way. I've been on 4 Alpine coasters, one of them from Sunkit. But yeah, I've been on a very small one called Alpine in France, which was very short and didn't do a whole lot. And then I was on Hassenhorn Rodelbahn in Germany, which is longer than Steel Dragon 2000. That was a very long ride and very intense as well. That is legit one of the best roller coasters I've been on in general. That thing right now sits in my top 15. I'm not kidding. Absolutely love that. This seems to be in the middle of it, like a longer Alpine coaster, but not like a super long one. Just over 4,000 feet long, and whatever that is, whatever that is in kilometers, like 1.3 kilometers or something like that. And there's a lot of cable lifts on this thing. Hi! Alright, seems like the family in front of me is going fast, so that's awesome. That was one of them right there. Which means we are almost at the top. I might just brake a little bit at the start just to make sure that I do get the speed going that I want. But yeah, here we are, about to head up on the awesome looking Maisi Flitzer. It looks a lot faster here than it does in POVs I've seen. I can still see the brakes on the track, but we'll see. All right, here we go. Also just gonna brake a little bit. Just gonna stop just in case. And in a moment, I will go full speed. Here we go. Here we go. Woo! Oh yeah, here we get some laterals. Yes, please. Oh, they feel great. They feel good. Woo! Oh yeah, I can feel the auto braking. There's quite a bit right there, but this is so good. Yeah, yeah, definitely a lot of auto braking right when you're about to get good laterals. So that's a bummer. Nonetheless, it's going very fast. And look at this view. This is beautiful. I love it. Woo! More speed though, please. Damn. Bit of a zigzag here. Gotta love a good zigzag. Woo! Oh my god, that auto braking is sharp and random. Okay. Woo! Almost sounds like it's powered. Woo! Oh, it's very hard to keep the handles down too, by the way. Oh, it's easier to do with one hand. Oh, that was a picture though. Woo! Way! Yeah, some airtime. Let's go. Way! A little bit of floater. That was nice. Yeah, so the laterals and the airtime definitely not as strong as on, for example, Hasenhorn. Woo! That was fun. But it's a fun ride nonetheless. Whee! Way! And there we go. Var det sjovt? Ja. Den er fed.
Ja. Fik du den folkegas hele vejen?
Ja, det gør jeg. Man kan godt mærke, der er bremser på skinnerne også.
Det gør lige sådan lidt også.
Ja, lige præcis. Men fedt er det.